All right, guys. So that is the Uher Stereo Record 1. It's a really cool reel-to-reel player and recorder as well. That one of my favorites because I can travel with this. It comes in the form of a suitcase, right? Like the case. This is the cover for it, so I just put it on and I can carry it, and it's self-contained. It has the built-in speaker and everything. So, and the best part is it's super rare and it's awesome. That's one of my favorite things in my collection. Is this particular one.